Hi there! I would like to paint my own paintings for one of my rooms that I use for bed and breakfast in my house. That's why I paint 3 paintings in the same 4 colors and with the same model, but in 3 different styles so they look cool on the wall. In this painting I have painted the entire canvas in a light color. Then I make stripes with painter's tape to create some life in the background. This painting is the calmest painting out of the 3, so I don't want too much action in the background. It has to be relatively neutral in its expression, as the other 2 are very dominant. Therefore I paint the stripes in a color that is close to the other so that the contrast is not too strong. I want to achieve an effect that kind of reminds me of old wallpaper. I think it turned out perfectly, just the way I wanted it. In order to create the calmness in the background, I paint the lightest of the 4 colors I use in all 3 paintings. I do not make a pattern in the background of my silhouette as I did in the first one, as this painting, as mentioned earlier, needs to be more calm. Now I paint my model that I have found a picture of on the internet. I've edited the photo and removed the person behind her. However, I think the hand on her left shoulder was pretty funny, so I kept that one. I choose to paint the model with the dark green to create some diversity in the 3 paintings that will hang on the wall together. I've edited 4 different images in 4 different levels, and I choose a different level here than I did in the other 2 paintings. I actually think they turned out pretty well and I'm completely satisfied with it. Now they just need to be hung on that white boring wall so they can create some life. What do you think? Were they allowed to hang in your home? Please write me a comment with your opinion. Maybe you would have chosen another color, maybe another model. Remember that you can paint your children, yourself, your best friend, and have fun with it. Remember that creating art this way is both fun and expressive, and the possibilities are endless. See you guys!